In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google account in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to access Gmail, Google Drive, or any other Google service, setting up an account is your first step. It's a straightforward process and I'm here to walk you through it. First, open up your favorite web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whatever you typically use. In the address bar at the top, type in www.google.com and hit enter. This will take you to the main Google homepage. It's where you can usually find the search bar right in the middle of the page. Now, look up at the top right corner of your screen, you'll see a button labeled Sign In. Go ahead and click on this button. Even though you're looking to create a new account, this is the right path to take. After clicking Sign In, you'll be directed to a new page where you can log into an existing Google account. However, since we're setting up a new one, look closely at the options presented. You want to find the link that says Create Account. It should be nearby, often below the login fields. Click on Create Account and you'll be faced with a choice. Google might ask if you're creating this account for yourself, your child, or to manage a business. Select the option that best suits your needs. Next is a crucial part. Filling in your personal information. You'll need to enter your first and last name in the appropriate fields. Make sure you fill these out accurately. This step also includes creating a unique username. This username will be the first part of your new Google email address, the part that comes before a gmail.com. Try to choose something distinct and easy to remember. If your first choice is taken, Google will suggest some alternatives. Once you've settled on a username, it's time to create a password. It is important here to choose a password that is secure yet memorable for you. A good password blend is a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols. After entering your password, you'll be asked to re-enter it to ensure there are no typos or errors. After setting up your login details, Google might ask for a phone number. This step is useful for security and recovery purposes, but you can choose to skip it if you prefer not to enter it. Before finalizing, you'll have to agree to Google's terms of service and privacy policy. It's always a good idea to read through these or at least skim for any major points or agreements you might want to be aware of. Once you're comfortable, go ahead and click on Next or Agree depending on what button they provide at the bottom of the page. And there you have it, a fully functional Google account ready for you to use. Now you can enjoy all the benefits and services that Google offers. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.